So I made it to the campsite here that I was wanting to make it to. I don't know, I may have hiked probably like 7 miles today. It wasn't a bad day. Followed the Gooseberry River for a little while. It was a good hike today. It was beautiful weather, sunny, and now we're here just kind of chilling out. We're gonna make some dinner, melting some ice here, or some snow to get some warm water. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna have pasta tonight. It was a great night, and I'm really glad that I brought 2 sleeping bags, because it was a little bit chilly last night. I did have some really good nights. I had a really good night's sleep. I was dreaming a lot, so it means that I was in some deep sleep, and which was good, because I had a little bit of a stove failure last night. So when I get home, I'm gonna have to work on the stove, repair it a little bit. Made a little fire last night, boiled some water, got some hot stuff, and I was ready to go. And now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna get out of this sleeping bag, so I can get back on the trail here. So anyway, it's been a good night's sleep, and I'm looking forward to this morning, and we'll talk with you soon. Sure is pretty hiking by the river. It's kind of a good change of scene. All right, tally ho.